Welcome to Furnace Repair Vose, Oregon, right now heating and cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. Right now heating and cooling is the most suitable choice if you are looking for trustworthy HVAC contractors in your local area. Our experienced team offers services for both residential and commercial properties. With more than 25 years of experience in the industry, we have the knowledge and expertise needed to handle even your most stubborn HVAC issues. Our HVAC contractors and technicians are highly trained in every aspect of the heating and cooling industry. They offer outstanding service that delivers outstanding results, excellent customer service and competitive pricing. Each member of our team takes great pride in keeping up to date with all codes and the latest technology to keep your family and home in good health. We love doing what we do, and it is evident in the quality of the work that we perform on every project regardless of size or complexity. From minor heating and cooling repairs to large-scale central installation of cooling and heating systems, our HVAC contractors are able to help. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the top and most reliable in the industry. Your work will be completed properly the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we expect to continue our relationship even after your new equipment is installed or repaired. Our ongoing service is designed to keep your equipment operating efficiently without causing breakdowns. We provide a wide range of services that include furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, and many other services. Our policy has always been straightforward, and that is to provide a competitive price by using highly skilled HVAC technicians that do not charge hidden fees, backed by an unconditional guarantee of the work done. Our HVAC technicians are on hand for heating and cooling installation or repair to your home or business. We have pricing options for every repair/expert guarantee of workmanship. Emergency and weekend service as in warranties on every parts and labor. Visit us on our website, or call us at 503-300-6124.